What is the probate of a last will and testament? When a close one passes away and leaves a last will and testament which has not been notarized, it is necessary to proceed to a verification of the document through a probate application in which the court will proceed to the identification of the writer, in this case the deceased, as well as verify the conformity of its form, whether it is a holographed will or a will made in the presence of witnesses. This procedure is not necessary for a notarial will, since once the document has been notarized, it is considered as an authentic document. The probate process can be found in sections 459 to 462 of the Civil Code of Procedure of Quebec. Through the process of an originating application, the liquidator petitions the court to have the document verified. It is one of the first acts that the liquidator will perform throughout the liquidation of the estate. Section 803 of the Civil Code of Quebec mentions that the liquidator shall make a search to ascertain whether the deceased made a will. If the deceased made a will, the liquidator causes the will to be probated and takes all the necessary steps for its execution. This first step is essential to the administration of the estate patrimony by the liquidator, as the will confers the instructions pertaining to the distribution of the estate, as well as the powers which the liquidator must respect. Although there is no delay specified in the Civil Code of Quebec for the probation of the will, due to the importance of the will, it is imperative that the liquidator proceeds with the probate process as soon as possible. In a scenario where there is no mention of a liquidator in the will, who will be responsible to initiate the probate process? Section 785 of the Civil Code of Quebec mentions that the office of liquidator devolves by operation of law to the heirs unless otherwise provided by testamentary provisions. The heirs, by a majority vote, may designate the liquidator and provide the mode of his replacement. No one is bound to accept the office of liquidator of a succession unless he is the sole heir. For further information regarding estate law, we invite you to communicate with our offices at FSD Law Group Inc.